If you want to take a screenshot with a gesture on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we can open Settings. Once we go to Settings, we can now scroll down in here, and we want to go to Special Features. In Special Features, we can proceed to Gestures, and then here we have the Screenshot gesture. Now, in order to be able to take screenshot with the gesture, first we need to make sure that 3-finger swipe is enabled in here. Now we can swipe down with 3 fingers from the top, just like that, in order to capture the screenshot, the full screenshot. You can also perform a partial screenshot with a similar gesture. Instead of swiping down, first we press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then we swipe down in order to select where the screenshot should end. We can still adjust the cropped area if needed. We can also draw on the screenshot with the markup tool over here. You can also change the color of it. And once you are done with the customization of the screenshot, we can tap on Save in the upper left corner. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.